What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now I am going to get my springs installed. So I'll see you guys when I reach. So we are at the mechanics now. They'll jack up the car and remove these 3 bolts to remove the strut assembly. Then after that they'll open the top hat and then replace the spring. That's pretty much it for the process. So let's begin. With the spring compressors and then remove the top hat. After that, compress the new spring, then complete it by putting the top hat again. apologize, I didn't talk at all after getting the springs installed. So actually I just jumped into my car and just started driving it. So let me talk about my initial expression. First of all, the car drives and handles like a new car. Obviously, the springs on the car were around 15 years old, and anyways these springs are a bit stiffer and thicker than the OEM one, and it does help in reducing the body roll. There is not as much body roll left, and it also improved the way the car feels. And secondly, the steering response have improved a bit in the sense that the steering is not feeling as sloppy as it used to be. Now lastly, let's talk about the drop. I swear I didn't expect that much of a drop. I'm beyond happy the way the car looks right now. It is more than what I could have asked for. It is looking perfect now. Basically, I showed you guys the comparison between the springs. The comparison was just around an inch or so, but these are progressive springs, so I guess I got a bit more drop out of it. Now the wheel gap is around an inch or so. I could fit just my two fingers all around. By the way, this is not the final product. This is not the final drop. So basically these are new springs, so these take around 300-400 kilometers or 3-4 days to settle in. So I'll be getting an alignment done in few days, maybe in 3 or 4 days. I know I also didn't properly show you around the car, so I'll see you guys tomorrow and we'll get the car washed and I'll show you around. Good morning guys, so it is the next day and now let's go and get my car washed and then I'll show you how it is looking and how it is sitting right now. So let's go.